Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 21st video in JavaFX GUI Application Development. In the previous video we have learned about, we have created a simple example about JavaFX lambda expression. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a text field in JavaFX. So now I'm going to create a new application file. I call it JavaFX TextField. Okay, now I have created my file. After this, let me change this to stage, and I want to add stage dot set title to JavaFX TextField. And now I want to create an hbox layout, so hbox, new hbox. Let me import this hbox. Alt enter. Okay, now it's imported. After this, I'm going to create my text field. So I want to create text field object. You can see we have two text fields in here. The first one is related to Java AWT, and this is related to JavaFX.scene.control. So we need the JavaFX version. And text field, new text field. So let me just add for this text. Also, you can set the mean width. So text field dot I want 120. Okay, now create a scene, new scene, and add your hbox, 400 by 300, the width and height of scene. Also set your scene to the stage dot set scene, and at the end show your stage, so dot show. If I run this, you can see that I have a nice window with text field. The compilation complete. Okay, I have forgot to add this to my hbox, so hbox dot get children dot add, and I want the text field. Okay, now let me run it. So I'm waiting, the compilation is completed. Okay, now you can see that this is our text field. Let me make it a little interesting, this simple application. So I'm going to create some buttons in here. Button, the first button clear, new button, and the text is clear. Let me import button, alt enter, and you can import this. Okay, now you can set, if you want, you can set the set an action to your button dot set on action, and new event handler. Okay, in here you can text field, you can clear the text field dot clear. Okay, let me just add this to my hbox. So I need add all, text box and button clear. So let me run it. Okay, now this is our window, and if I click on clear button, now you can see the text is cleared. So if I click on this, the text is cleared. Let me do this, create another button, and so button and button copy. I need a copy button, so new button, the text should be copy like this. And now I want to create an action for this, so button copy dot set on action and new event handler like this. After this you can simply say TextField dot copy. Okay, and let me create another button for this. So button paste and new button, and the text is paste, so make on action for this. So button paste dot set on action, new event handler like this, text field dot paste. Okay, this is my complete code, and let me run this. Hopefully I don't get any error. Let me run it, and I'm waiting for the compilation completed successfully. Yeah, okay, now I have forgot to add these buttons to my hbox. So where is it? Yeah, this is button clear. I'm going to add button copy, also button paste. Now I'm going to run it again, and I'm waiting for compilation completed successfully. Okay, now this is my simple application. I have 3 buttons, and I can clear this. Let me first copy this and clear this. You can paste it in here, you can see. So let me write hello world, and I'm going to copy this, clear this, and paste it in here like this. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.